In this video, you are going to learn how to convert PDF to Word, changing the PDF file to Microsoft Word document. So in this case, we are dealing with this document here. We're going to convert this to a Word document. So right now, when we open it using our web browser, it's going to open like this. This is a PDF that we want to convert to Microsoft Word. So let's close this. Now, what we're going to do here is search for Microsoft Word from your computer and open it. When it opens here, click on open or to open an existing file and just find the location of the file that you want to open by clicking on the browse. And here you're going to click on desktop and you're going to see our PDF. This is the file that you want to convert to Microsoft Word. So click on it, then click on open. And just like that, it's going to start converting the document and it opens like this. And so you can see this document. And here we have these images and the text. And here, if you want to manipulate this or add text to it, you can do that. And now let's go ahead and save it. Click on File, then Save As. And here you have to choose the location where you want to save it, maybe on the desktop or somewhere else. Let's choose desktop, and here now we have to give it the name, so we can say converted PDF. And now down here, save as type, it should be Word document. You can choose from a lot of options, but it should be the first one here, Word document. Then you can go ahead and click on save. And just like that, now this document is saved. You can come here on the desktop. We're going to see that we have the Word document that we've created and it's named converted PDF. So this is how you can simply convert your PDF to a Word document. If this video is helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.